Now that the clocks have gone forward, we feel spring has arrived, and April gives us 5 Fridays to fill with inspiration. We get to meet Tess Grace of the Arty Crafty Place and learn how passionate she and her colleagues are about block printing, and then she shows us how to block print this lovely tea towel. And Baxter is here with a very seasonal spring hair cushion workshop, and Kate Findlay is also in a spring mood with these stunning cherry blossom confetti applique tree designs, which are simple and hugely rewarding to make. Craig Joubert of Marbling for Fun returns to show us how to marble a large piece of fabric, creating these remarkable designs, which can then be used to create your own unique projects. Czaja returns with a second of her hexagon crochet workshops, this time showing us a flower design. For our English paper piecing enthusiasts, Nancy Adamek shows us her diamond paper piecing technique. Sallieann demonstrates how to make this lovely Liberty needlecase. And for the patchworkers, Carolyn Forster returns with a woven jelly roll class. And Valerie shares her Courthouse steps. Our Technique Thursday this month is this brilliant idea of invisible machine applique from Dawn Cameron Dick. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.